Hello Capricornians and welcome to your bonus love reading. So this is a bonus love reading for the sign of Capricorn for the year 2025. ये एक general reading है. Okay, so not every message will resonate to your story. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, since this is a timeless reading, so जब भी आप ये reading देखेंगे ये reading आपसे resonate करेगी. If you had a calling to click on this video, then these messages are for you. I see new phase, rekindling of relationship, renewal and transformation coming your way with this phoenix. Okay. So आपकी तरफ आपके either your relationship is going to ascend to the next level. You could be in a separation with your partner right now, और ये person right time का wait कर रहे हैं आपको approach करने के लिए, because ये person narcissistic हो सकते हैं, इन्होंने कोई narcissistic behavior आपको show किया है. But this person wants to bring in the stability and transformation in this connection. They want basically growth in this connection. और ये आपसे in person की तरफ से आपको कोई communication receive हो सकती है related to taking this connection to the next level. And this is like a reading for the people who are in separation with their soulmate or with their twin flame, okay, or with the person you are dealing with. So show me more messages for the sign of Capricorn. Show me more messages for the sign of Capricorn. Show me more messages for the sign of Capricorn. Okay. We have Empress, we have the Six of Cups. तो पहले दो कार्ड ये आए थे, Empress और Six of Cups. Then we have the Seven of Pentacles, Magician. We have the Seven of Cups, and then we have the King of Wands. So ये काफ़ी clear messages for the sign of Sagittarius. You could be dealing with for the Capricornians, you could be dealing with Taurus, Libra, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and also Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Bottom of the deck we have Hermit. You could be dealing with the Pisces, and you could be dealing with Virgo. So definitely आपके ये पास पर्सन है जिनके लिए आप ये रीडिंग देख रहे हैं और इनके साथ इस वक्त आप सेपरेशन में हैं, और सेपरेशन होने की वजह भी ये थी कि एक तो ये इन पर्सन है थर्ड पार्टी इन्वॉल्वमेंट, आप दोनों के बीच में एक थर्ड पार्टी इन्वॉल्व है, और secondly when this person was with you, they were keeping their options open. They were not fully focused on you and they were keeping their options open. And right now I see that there is no obviously there is no context situation, but this person with the Hangman is not taking any action, and this person, or either you or either both of you, have secluded yourself from the environment. But however I see कि ये person आपको manifest कर रहे हैं और ये person आपके साथ एक reunion manifest कर रहे हैं, और ये person, they feel that you are very nurturing and very caring with this Empress, and they want you to be the mother or father of their children, okay, because this person feels that you are their soulmate and they want to have a long-term committed relationship with you, like they want to extend their family with you. Show me Capricornians' feelings towards this person. Show me Capricornians' feelings towards this person. We have Nine of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and the Ten of Pentacles. Yes, you also want long-term committed relationship with this person and you want a new beginning with this person. So you are missing this person and you are regretting over that how they put their walls up from you, like इन्होंने अपने आप से healthy boundaries maintain की, ठीक है, और ये person इस वक्त आपको बहुत ज़्यादा miss कर रहे हैं. They are seriously regretting over what they did to you or what they said to you, okay, but you are manifesting a new beginning with this person, and I see that new beginning is coming in, and that relationship offer is also coming in. You want clarity from this person, and I see with the Ace of Swords कि ये person आपको clarity देंगे, communication देंगे, plus there is a new beginning offer coming from this person. With the Wheel of Fortune, I can see that this person wants to change the things around. They want to turn this wheel around. Okay, show me. Show me Capricornians' feelings towards this. Show me this person's feelings towards the Capricornians. Show me this person's feelings towards the Capricornians. So their feelings are that इन्होंने आपसे कुछ बातें छुपाई, ठीक है, इन्होंने आपको कोई बातों की क्लैरिटी नहीं दी और आप इस क्लैरिटी का इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि ये आपको क्लैरिटी दें, and they are waiting for the right time to approach you, ठीक है, and they are ready to drop down their guards, they are ready to reveal something. ये definitely they want to put in the work and effort. Right now ये person hermit mode में चले गए हैं. They are not talking to anybody. They are feeling left out in the cold by you. Now they feel your absence in their life, and they feel loneliness. Okay, ये बहुत ज़्यादा lonely खुद को feel कर रहे हैं with this hermit. और ये definitely जो secrets, जो feelings इन्होंने आपसे hidden रखी है, ये उसको reveal करना चाहते हैं. और 8 of Pentacles है, तो they want to put in the work and effort. And with the 9 of Cups, ye person, they see you as a wish fulfillment. Okay. Show me how this person sees this whole situation. Show me how this person sees this whole situation. Show me how this person sees this whole situation. They want reconciliation with you. They are waiting for the right time. This person has so much passion and attraction for you. This person wants a passionate new beginning in love with you. This person wants to reconcile with you. They want to put in the work and effort, because again, this person is feeling left out in the cold by you. This person is seriously missing your energy. They want to take a decision regarding this third party. There is a strong presence of a third party between you and them, and because of the habits, or ये अपनी थर्ड पार्टी की हैबिट्स या उनकी लाइक उनके जो भी है उनके साथ ये खुश नहीं है, एंड ये बहुत ज़्यादा लोनली खुद को फील कर रहे हैं, एंड दे वांट टू रिकनसाइल विद यू बिकॉज दे सी यू एज अ विश फुलफिलमेंट. ओके, और ये डेफिनेटली चीज़ों पे वर्क और एफर्ट डालना चाहते हैं, ये आपकी तरफ आना चाहते हैं, और इनको पता है कि आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा हाई वाइब्रेंट एनर्जी है. इन्हें पता है दैट दे कट रेड यू आउट फ्रॉम देयर लाइफ, और इनको पता है कि आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा हाई वाइब्रेंट एनर्जी है. सो दे हैव टू पुट इन अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क एंड एफर्ट इन ऑर्डर टू मैच विद योर एनर्जी. Show me the outcome of the situation. 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 इनको कोई important decision लेना है आपसे related, और ये जो decision इनको लेना है that is related to giving you a marriage offer, a love offer with the Page of Cups and with the Ace of Cups. क्योंकि माजी में इन्होंने आपकी कोई ऑफ़र रिजेक्ट की है, ठीक है, by showing you their narcissistic behavior, by showing you their cold side. Okay, so Ivan person ने ये drama, they know that they have to end this drama. Like they are confused, they are on crossroads, they are confused between two different people or two different options, but they know that they have to take a decision regarding you and this connection. They don't have to show you that wishy-washy energy. Like इनको एक genuine love offer आपको देनी पड़ेगी, और इनको आपसे related एक decision लेना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. Show me channel messages from this person. Show me channel messages for the sign of Capricorn. Show me channel messages for the sign of Capricorn. It's time for me to heal now. Both of you have to go through this healing process. बिकॉज आप भी बहुत ज़्यादा डीप पेन में, आपके पर्सन भी बहुत ज़्यादा डीप पेन में है, तो इन्हें भी हील करने की ज़रूरत है. हाउएवर आई सी दैट ये पर्सन आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मिस कर रहे हैं एंड दे आर लुकिंग फॉर यू एवरीवेयर. आई होप दैट यू कैन फॉरगिव मी वन डे एंड आई हाइड हू रियली एम फ्रॉम यू. सो इन पर्सन ने अपनी फीलिंग्स आपसे हिडन रखी. जैसे मून कार्ड आया था, तो इन पर्सन ने डेफिनेटली अपनी फीलिंग्स आपसे हिडन रखी और दे नीड योर फॉरगिवनेस. विद द पेज ऑफ कप्स आई कैन सी दैट ये पर्सन आपसे अपॉलॉजी चाहते हैं बिकॉज दे डिडंट ट्रीट यू in the way that they should have treated you. They mistreated you, okay, and that's why इनको बहुत ज़्यादा regrets हैं. I wish I had treated you better. Besides, they are so attracted to you and they want you. Okay, I want you and I'm so attracted to you. So definitely this person wants you back in their life because they are so attracted to you. So this person is coming in with some sort of a love offer, okay, and I see that in person की तरफ से जल्द आपको communication और clarity भी मिलेगी. So I will leave this reading over here. Thank you so much, Capricornians. Please hit like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next. Till then, take care and bye.